Now I intend to do some repair work on my cherries because one of the grafts had died, and as a result of that, that top of the stem around here, it is dying, and it could cause more damage to the tree. So I have decided to do some repair work, put a graft around here, which I hope soon it will cover that dead area. So make a deep cut, lift the bark up to make some space for the graft for the scion to get in. And now make a long cut on the inner side, exposing the cambium. As a bandage, I would like to make it a bit stronger because it needs pushing back. So I'll put a plastic string to keep it tight with the so by wrapping the string around, it will hopefully stay. So I don't want to damage anything else, so I have to be extra careful. Now I will take the camera closer. That is the grafting which I have just done, and I hope it will cover this dead stem. The other grafting which was done a while back, that has grown, has a few buds, these two buds, so hopefully That will help to cover the top of this and while the sealing is done, I will have to wait and see what happens. Is the graft successful or not? Hopefully the bark will grow and cover it. The surrounding area will be covered. As long as it's covered, it will keep the whole tree safe. Now I am sealing the whole area, including the dead wood. I have put some masking tape just before doing this sealing work, so that that hot liquid doesn't go inside. While I am sealing around it.